Good morning, guys. I'm make omelette today. Cause every day chicken. I want to skip chicken, but still chicken this one. What on the morning? Egg. Noon time, chicken. Night time, chicken again. Here in Middle East, always chicken rotation. That's why people here need sleeping. Always sleeping. The face always sleeping. Same chicken. I put too much tomato for saving. Budget. No salary. What to do? One time cooking. Last month is making viral for the video. This is the best for cooking. See, this is the one make viral. Maybe this video also make viral. I will try only. Good for the. You are not good cooking, but this one perfect taste after putting this one. Most of the Filipino looking in the grocery this one. The magic sarap. Six pieces egg. This one until afternoon eating this one. What to do? One time only. It's OFW life. Some person thinking you are always good life here in abroad. I make this video for my children. They will know how to cook also this one. Not always going fast food. This one save money and also good for health, good for heart. This one for this tomato. You know, these Arabic people, if they will purchase in the store, not kilo, this bag, they will buy this one. How much of this onion and tomato I see. Always they will buy bag, big bag, this one. I don't know why too much they will buy this one. Maybe good benefit for the body. Most of the people here, always I see in the market, onion and tomato, they will buy. So this is the one he make viral last couple of months. Maybe not cooking this one, putting, he make good taste. Why like this? I don't know this one. The secret for this ingredients. Thank you for watching, guys. All my bestie idol and Baisap, Baya, sister, thank you for the support.